Good morning, children. So, your first term is coming. So, we are making one video how to submit your answer script to the teacher. So, the format is changed. So, we are going to use this Google Classroom app. So, I will show you with the video how to use, or from the starting I am showing you how to install this Google Classroom and how to use it. So first of all, you know already from the Play Store we have to download two apps. So one is Google Classroom. Type Google Classroom. This is the Google Classroom. This one you have to install in your mobile phone. Now the second app which we are going to use, that is Adobe Scan. So you can type here also Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan. If you have any other scanner in your mobile, that also can be used. So if you don't have, better to use this Adobe Scan. So it will take time. Now children, you can see already I have downloaded these two apps, that is the Adobe Scan and Classroom. Okay children, so in this video I will show you how to join the class. So what you have to do, you have to open this Google Classroom. So we are opening. So now you have to set here, because first time you are just using this, so you have to start this one. What you have to do, you have to click on get start. So with the email ID you have to log in first. So this one email ID, and we are going to log in. Press OK button. Now you will get a dashboard like this. So what you have to do now, now as a student you have to join your class. How you will join the class? By clicking this plus sign. When you will click the plus sign, you click on join class. So it will ask you the code. So the particular class teacher concerned, they will send you the subject teacher. Yes, subject teacher. They will send you the. Okay children, so here you will enter the code. So from where you will get the code, that will be a question. So your subject teacher, all the subject teachers send you a code to join the class. So all the subject teachers send you the code and you have to join the class. All the classes you have to join. Like English is there, so for English different code is there, you have to join. So I have one code, I'm just joining. This is the code for class 5. So let's join one class. As example I'm just showing you 23 mm. Now this code is entered. Now click on join. At the top you will get a join button, so click on join. It will take little bit time. Now you are joined in the classroom of 5C. Okay children, now in this video we will see how to see your question paper. So the teacher concerned, they will send you the question paper in this group only, in this classroom only. So you have to see. So as for a sample, it is already given by the teacher, new assignment computer mock test. So when you click on it, you will get a scan PDF here. So what you have to do, you have to click on that. One question paper will appear on your screen. So this is the question paper. like test paper, your examination test paper. This is your examination test paper. Now what you have to do, you have to copy this question paper in your answer script. Okay, so now you have copied your answer question in your answer script. Now it's time. After that you will get a time, half an hour you will get the time to write the exam. Okay, so take time and write your exam, but time boundation is there, limitation is there. So within that time you have to finish your work. So writing of the question is over, writing of answer is also over. Now what you will do, now it's time to hand over your answer script to your teacher. So how to do it? Okay, let's see. Now you go back, and one more app we have downloaded. In the beginning we saw, so this was Adobe Scan. So open this Adobe Scan. If you first of all you have to log in, sign in with the Google account. Click on sign in. It will ask from which email ID. So email ID, this email ID, I want to log in with this email ID, so I have clicked on that. Okay, so it will ask you the day, month and date of birth also it will ask. So anything you write down, but here what we have to see that you are under the criteria. So better to use your parents' date of birth, then only it will take, otherwise it will not take. So click on, after writing the date of birth, click on done. Once time it will ask, not always and each and every time, once time it will ask. Okay. Now click on let's go, click on allow. Now your camera is also ready. So now what you have to do, now like this one is the answer script, your answer, and you have to send it to your teacher, you have to hand over to your teacher. So how to do it? So this one is my mobile, just scan your, now how to scan that also very important thing, because don't give a blur or unclear photo to your teacher. So let's see how to do it. So scan it and click on take a shot. Okay, now you can see continue button here. If the photo is clear, it's okay, otherwise you can retake it. Retake means again you are going to take, the photo is not clear, again you are going to take, so that is retake. If the photo is clear and you want to adjust the edges also, that also you can do. Okay, like this you can adjust the edges also, and click on continue. So what happened, one paper is listed there. Okay, if you have two papers, so what you will do, so you will turn the page and again in same format you have to scan. Don't click back, again click on that and take the photo. If you want to adjust the edges, you can adjust, but be sure that photo should be clear, otherwise teacher are not able to check your answer script and your exam will get cancelled. Now click on continue. Now I have two answer paper, so it's showing here two option, you can see two. If you have something more, so you can take how much you want, that's on you. Okay, now let's take this two as a example. Now click on that two option, and now here you can see Adobe Scan 26 September. What you have to do here, you have to write your name and roll number here. So when you click on this pen button, you will get a screen rename option. So click on rename option and write down your name like Raj, roll number 25. If teacher will tell you that to write your class also, so you can mention your class also, it's on teacher. Okay, press OK. Now click on save PDF. You have to save PDF. Click on save. Okay, now your PDF is saved. Now you want to hand over your answer script to the concerned subject teacher. So click on share option. Click on share option. So here you will get three options: send link, email, and share a copy. So click on the third one, that is share a copy. I am going to click. Okay. So now where to share? कहाँ हमको share करना है? So we have to show. We have to show where we have to share. So we have to share in the classroom, not in the WhatsApp. Okay, we have to send our answer script in the Google Classroom. Okay, so we will select Google Classroom. Okay, now you have to submit your assignment. Okay, so maybe teacher have 5-6 assignments, so no need to worried about this. Teacher will tell you where to submit, in which assignment you have to submit. So be sure that whatever instruction is given by the teacher, you have to follow, and then only you have to submit. So like here one is there, so click on that. Okay, now it will take little bit time. Okay, now click on attachment, mock test. Now you can see a arrow sign here. Click on this arrow sign, and already you can see Raj 25 with the name Raj 25. I have saved my file, PDF file, so it's showing that it is uploaded. Now it's time to hand over to your class teacher your answer sheet. Hand over to the class teacher. So what you will do, you will click on turn in. Okay, so click on turn in option. You can your work submitted, means it is sure that my work is given to teacher, it is submitted to the teacher. Okay children, I think you have learned. And if you having any doubts, you can write in the comment box. Okay, I can write I will give your answer in the comment box. Okay, thank you children.